Good day everyone, my name is Christina Goc-ong and today we're gonna talk about the amazing human body and the 11 systems. Did you know that the human body is the complex network of multiple organ systems and the organ system is the group of organs that work together as a system to fulfill more functions? We have 11 organ systems such as integumentary, skeletal, muscular, nervous, circulatory, respiratory, digestive, excretory, urinary, and reproductive endocrine system. Integumentary system. This system forms of outermost layer of animals. It helps to protect what comes in and what comes out of the body. It consists of the skin, nails, hair, and some glands. Skeletal system. This system consists of bones, the support and protections the organs inside the body. Bones also produce blood cells in the bone marrow. Muscular system. This system consists of muscles that they help the body to move around. They do this by contracting and relaxing, and they have 3 types of muscles in the body such as skeletal, cardiac, and smooth muscles. This system also refers to the muscular skeletal system. Some muscles are attached to bone that they help to hold the bone in place. Muscles also help to move blood around the body. Nervous system. This consists of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves making up the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The system works by sending electrical impulses around the body, enabling them to move. Circulatory system. This system consists heart and blood vessels. The heart pumps blood around the body via blood vessels and remove any waste products. Respiratory system. This system works to provide oxygen into the bloodstream from the air which we inhale and releases carbon dioxide when we exhale. This occurs automatically without even you to think about it. It is part of autonomic nervous system, name of the nose, pharynx, larynx, esophagus, and lungs. Digestive system. This system works to process food that we eat into substances so that the body can use it as energy. In order to do this, the food that we eat process them to the digestive system. The part of the body involve our mouth, tongue, teeth, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, small intestine, and large intestine. This food can process through the large intestine, thence into solid waste material. Excretory system. This system of an organism's body that perform the functions of excretion, the bodily process of discharging waste. Urinary system. This system consists of the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The body takes nutrients from food and converts them to energy. Reproductive system. This system refers to male and female, the female providing the ovum and the male providing sperm, and process of fertilizations. Endocrine system. This system consists of glands that help regulate body processes. The glands of our body are able to detect and distribute hormones around the body. We have 9 major of integumentary system. We have epidermis. Epidermis is the outermost layer of skin on our body. It protects our body from harm, keeps our body dehydrated, produces new skin cells, and contains melanin, which determines the color of our skin. Dermis, the inner layer of 2 main layers of the skin. The dermis has connective tissue, blood vessels, oil and sweat glands, nerves, hair follicles, and other structures. Hypodermis is the deepest layer of our skin. It's made up mostly of fat cells and connective tissue. The subcutaneous layer acts as a layer of insulation to protect our internal organs and muscles from shock and changes in temperature. Sebaceous glands, small oil-producing glands present in the skin. Sebaceous glands are usually attached to the hair follicles and release a fatty, subcutaneous sebum into the follicular duct and tends to the surface of the skin. Sweat gland are appendages of the integument. Sweat is mainly water, but it also contains some salt. Its main functions is to control body temperature. Hair. Hair is the protein filament that grows from follicles found in the dermis. Do not project beyond the follicles in some of the areas, however, they are short of narrow and cover most of the surface of the body. Hair follicle is the tunnel-shaped structure in the epidermis, outer layer of the skin. Hair starts growing at the bottom of the hair follicle. The root of the hair is made up of protein cells and is nourished by blood from nearby blood vessels. Skin. The skin is the body's largest organ made of water, protein, fats, and minerals. Our skin protects our body from germs and regulates body temperature. Nerves in the skin help us for sensations like hot and cold. Nails is a claw-like plate at the tip of our fingers and toes in the most primates. Fingernails and toenails are made of the protective protein called alpha-keratin, which is a polymer. We have 8 organs of skeletal system. We have bone. Bone is living tissues that make up the body's skeleton. They support the body structurally, protect our vital organs, and allow us to move. Cartilage is the main type of connective tissue seen throughout the body. It serves a variety of structural and functional purposes and exists in different types throughout the joints, bones, spine, lungs, ears, and nose. Joints is the part of the body where 2 or more bones meets to allow movement. Ligaments. A ligaments is the fibrous connective tissues that attach bone to bone and usually serves as hold structure together and keep them stable. Skull. The bone that enclosing the brain of a vertebrate and skeleton of a person and animal's head. It is protect brain, orbits of our eyes. Cortical bone is the dense outer surface of the bone and forms protective layer of around the internal cavity. Femur. Femur is the longest and strongest bone of our body because the femur is so strong usually takes a lot of force to break it. The long straight part of femur is called the femoral shaft. Tendon. A tendon are fibrous connective tissues that attach muscles to bone. Tendon may also attach muscles to structures such as the eyeballs. Muscular system is an organ system consisting of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. It permits movement of the body, maintains posture, and circulates blood throughout the body. Nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord, sensory organ, and all of the nerves that connect these organs with the rest of the body. Together, these organs are responsible for the control of the body and communications among its parts. Circulatory system consists of 3 independent systems that work together such as heart, lungs, arteries, veins, coronary, and portal vessels. The system is responsible for the flow of blood, nutrients, oxygens, and the gases, as well as the hormones to and from cells. Respiratory system. The main organ of the respiratory system is the lungs. Other respiratory organs include the nose, the trachea, and the breathing muscles. Digestive system. The hollow organs that make up the GI tract are the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small and large intestine, which includes the rectum and anus. Food enters the mouth, passes to the anus through the hollow organs of GI tract. The liver, pancreas, and gallbladder are the solid organs of the digestive system. Excretory system consists mainly of the kidneys and bladder. The kidneys filter urea and other waste products from the blood, which are added to the urine within the bladder. Other organs such as liver process toxins but put their waste back into the blood. Urinary system. Organs include the kidneys, renal pelvis, bladder, and urethra. Our body takes nutrients from food and convert them to energy. After the body has taken the food components that it needs, waste products are left behind in the bowel and in the blood. Reproductive system. In women, the reproductive system includes the ovaries, the fallopian tubes, the uterus, the cervix, and the vagina. In men, it includes the prostate, the testes, and the penis. These organs are producing the eggs and the sperm cells, gametes, and hormones. Endocrine system, made up of all the body different hormones, regulates all the biological processes in the body from conception through adulthood and into old age, including the development of the brain and nervous system, the growth and functions of the reproductive system, as well as the metabolism. The female ovaries, male testes and pituitary glands, thyroid and adrenal glands are major constituents of endocrine system.